His director is G. Rajesh.
Deepak Manthi.
IFS.
I think
Deepak Manthi was
for few years.
yes sir. For many days. Yes.
Now he is in government after retirement.
Government special officer on special duty.
OSD.
Sir.
I have remembered him. तुम्हारा telephone number कितना है?
9938 175964.
9938
175964.
तुम्हारा ये था? Roll number
303653.
303653.
Sir.
For the first time you are appearing in civil service. OPSC.
No sir, I am sir it is fourth time more.
Sorry? In the previous occasions you are going to BIOS?
Yes sir.
How much marks you got there?
In Bhaiva I got 135.
All these varieties. Cut mark total.
No, I have appeared Bhaiva for the first time in last year.
In the previous occasion. Okay. Yes. You had come.
I had
in
not
the previous
come
occasion.
here. I had not come here.
You have not come here. Okay. That's why I have not seen you.
Sir.
And this UPSC are you giving?
UPSC this time I have attempted, but did not qualify prelim.
Your hobby is to read self-help books. Self-help books. Example for one or two examples you can cite.
For example, I read Paulo Coelho's The Alchemist and the Atomic Habits. And the most favorite book of mine is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma.
Who sold his?
Ferrari.
Ferrari.
Ferrari
so
car.
What is the sum and substance of that story?
So in that book, the author has explained how the material life can be converted into a spiritual life. He has abandoned everything, every materialistic materialistic things and went to Himalaya for his spiritual journey. Then he got enlightened.
How? What was the proof that he got enlightened?
He then practiced yoga there, and then many things have been written about him. That suppose your car is getting damaged and you are scolding your wife or son who damaged it, then it is not a good habit. Instead, we should prioritize our relationships. We should prioritize our human before materials.
We should prioritize. We should give priority
humanity.
To the humanity than to
material culture. Yes.
Than to materialism.
Materialism.
Robin Sharma.
Great
motivator and
writer.
Speaker.
Mobile line, sir?
Yes, sir. Sir.
9337 number.
Life coach. She has written many books.
Lady
9337.
More number.
Sir.
111
9337 111
783.
Sir, आपनका name?
Kalesh Chandra Sahu.
Sir.
Who retired special secretary.
Sir.
OAS.
Sir.
मुझे पठेला तो नंबर गोटे खाली मैंने व्हाट्सएप रे हाई कर दियो तापर YouTube रे पठे दियो चले
सर
PhD is continuing at JNU.
Yes sir, I have completed my coursework in disaster studies and as I am in a job it is getting delayed PhD completion of PhD but completed my coursework.
So now you are director of mines na?
Yes sir.
तो मैं तो बॉस को देखो हाय सर लिखो
Oh sir,
you write hi sir in Odia government in Odisha government in government of Odisha so system is not there this is today I was testing him I was testing him one thing
right
no
sir you said to say hi so I said
I told him You sent me hi sir. He said hi sir. Then I asked him, what is the pattern in government of Odisha? How to address, how to welcome to the senior officer. Then he wrote Namaskar sir. In the administrative structure, you must have seen, whenever you are going to the director's room, at that time you must be telling this.
Namaskar.
You are doing this or not?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. Are you telling?
Namaskar,
No,
sir.
this is not the culture.
Yes.
Okay, sure. Then you told that your hobby is to read self-help books. Did you send? You sent it. You sent one. Send immediately.
Sir.
Then we will go to the subjects.
What is your designation there?
Geologist.
Yeah, the government of India some use
So you
this
do
posts are
all
also there.
this mining of MCL,
No.
mine
OMC,
testing women, all these things you do.
we do exploration work and resource estimation basically. Means how much quantity of iron or manganese can be recovered from the area.
Take care of that. Sir, फटाफट हम ଯିବା. Read the last one.
Sir, link टा पठे दे तो book रो.
Send the link. How the subject of geology
Sir.
will be helpful if you join in Odisha Administrative Service.
Sir, directly geology has means the core subjects of geology has no link with Odisha Administrative Service, but indirectly we have developed a keen observation skill in geology that will help in field to observe things before implementing anything. Like for example, we study rocks, its characteristics. So in same manner, we study rocks very minutely, take samples to laboratory. We take field notes in field. Every detail of.
Supposing a rock of a particular area will be given to you.
Sir.
Is there any mechanism developed so far?
Sir.
So that we can tell this rock is of dash years of age.
Yes, sir. That is carbon dating to up to 5,700 years of age. We can get
Then
that.
prior to that,
Prior to that, we can
how?
radioactive dating methods are there.
Up to how long? Man, how? कितने वर्ष पर्यंत हम जान परिया?
Sir, up to 100 billion year we can get.
100 billion years.
Sir.
Means
Means
कितने बच्चे ये
Now tell me,
crore.
one tell me, 100 billion years, are you correct, factually correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what is the origin of this universe? Time period of universe?
Region of the universe.
1370 कोटी वर्ष पूर्वे.
Sir.
1370 कोटी वर्ष पूर्वे. I think I am correct.
No, in terms of billion of years.
Sir, the Earth has originated
450.
4.5 billion years ago. The Earth has originated 4.5 billion years ago.
4.5 billion.
17.5.
Okay. She is talking about 100 till 100 billion years. I can test.
Sir.
That means the rock was not there at that time.
The intention was that.
Sir,
In the process of in the evolutionary process,
evolutionary process.
it has come to this stage.
Sir. So actually the Earth has formed 4.5 billion years ago.
450 कोटी वर्ष पूर्वे सृष्टि हुई थी.
Stage, sir. But prior to that, the materials in universe, the star particles are there.
That was there, but Earth was not there.
Earth was not there.
Then how can you calculate it? All this soil you might be finding. There must be of that age 4.5 billion maximum.
That is his answer. That was my point also.
Sir.
अरे पृथ्वीटा जो 450 कोटी वर्ष पूर्व तैयारी होता तेणु गोटे रक से पृथ्वी भितर अच्छी ना
सर
पृथ्वीटा तो सृष्टि 450 कोटी तेणु से रकटा को मैक्सिमम कही 450 कोटी भितर कहना ना
sir the maximum age of rock found is up to 4.4 billion years ago in Canada Hudson Bay, but I am telling that sir कि in universe not in the earth in universe
Are you taking any sample of a meteor?
meteor
Have you taken?
scientists have taken in the
Not scientists. You have taken, you have tested?
no we have not
have you
tested.
seen
I have not seen even
okay
sir
तो तमे गोटे जियोलॉजिस्ट हेले तुमको जदि एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव अफसर हुआ कौन तुम कैमरा आसो तुम पाठटा
सर आम सर फील्ड रे जो नोट फील्ड नोट नौ माइन्यूट ऑब्जर्वेशन करिकी सेटा आम एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने भी देखिपर कि कौ जगार लैकुना रोचे कौ जगार आमको इम्प्रूवमेंट करार अच्छे तार भी फील्ड नोट माने जो सेटा ऑलरेडी आम से स्किलटा डेभलप कर सारी कि एज ए जियोलॉजिस्ट ता सहित कि आम जमती गोटे रॉक सहित रॉक रे कौन टेक्सचर अच्छी स्ट्रक्चर अच्छी से गुड़ाक आम सब स्टडी करिकी आम रिसोर्स एस्टिमेशनटा करूँ ताने से माइन्यूट ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किलटा आम पाखे अच्छी ता सहित आम जो फील्ड को जाऊँ एक्सप्लोरेशन सेठी भी लोकल लोक मान सहित आमर इंटरेक्शन हुए सेठी भी सेमाने हमको अपोज करते कि तुम मैंने कौन करुच से गोटे डाउटफुल नेचर हमको देखते कि मैंने आम जमी नहीं जीवे तो सर्वे फर्वे जो चलू थाए तेणु से भी आम बुझेचु माने सेटा वन टाइप ऑफ सहित माने
आई नो आई वाज स्पेशल लैंड एक्विजिशन अफसर एमसीएल
सर
इन अनुगुल
सर असुविधा
I know that. What is the pulse of the people? When people go to specifically the MCL areas, which MCL is likely to take, at that time it is the duty of the land acquisition officer to start 4A till disbursement of the payment. 13. 11, 13?
Yes.
अच्छा. Yogasanas. Practicing yogasan. Is it a point to write?
I was about to tell you. When the Big Bang Theory happened, how many years back?
Big Bang Theory.
1470?
I don't know, sir.
13.8 billion. So before that there is nothing.
Right.
1370 होते 1470 के लिए सेटा 1370.
Then how can you take 100 billion? Before that there is no meteor, nothing.
Yes, sir. Actually, that up to that is
1370 वर्ष
13.8 billion or maximum. Right.
Earth started around
100 billion year is the half life of that material. Samarium neodymium technique half life is 10.6 billion years. Means using that radioactive element we can date maximum 13.8 billion years. I agree with you.
1370 कोटी वर्ष पूर्वे ए बिग बैंग थियरी
एटा मैक्सिमम हम सेति के जान डेट कर राइट
450 कोटी वर्ष पूर्वे ए पृथ्वी सृष्टि
that means either your information is wrong or you have to look into that. How can it be 100 billion? There is nothing before 100 billion. Who knows?
Actually, sir, the half life of that element is 10.6 billion.
13 billion. Here 13.70 means 13.7.
Sir.
माने 13.7.
सर एक्चुअली मोर कहया कथा ला माने से तार मु भूल कहली सेटा 13.7 बिलियन इयर्स रो मैक्सिमम हमें डेटिंग करि परिबा किंतु सर हमर जो जहा थ्रू रे हमें डेटिंग टा करबा ता एज टा मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन 13.7 अब हम बगैर सर एमितिया एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट अछि जेमति कि सामरियम नियोडिबियम गोटे अछि हमरो एलिमेंट जेमति हम यूरेनियम थोरियम डेटिंग
element actually you test to know the date?
Samarium, neodymium, zircon testing.
Why you take all these elements to?
Sir, because zircon, for example, is in primitive mantle material. The zircon is getting trapped in the rocks, in igneous rocks. Suppose the oldest rock found in.
I understand. So you are taking zircon. That means you are telling that zircon was the oldest material.
Oldest material means most probably that will be the oldest material.
Tell me another thing. Why we are getting so many metals like gold, iron, all these things? How come they came into existence?
They came into existence by geothermal processes, hydrothermal process in geology. We have
What are the
various.
ancient elements that are there during the time of Big Bang theory? I hope those things were not there. Gold, iron, all these things were not there during that time of Big
No,
Bang.
no.
So what are the basic element was found during that time?
So hydrogen, helium, these things, or metal you are telling.
Okay, metal was there during hydrogen helium and
I
during that
don't-
time Big Bang theory time.
I think only hydrogen, helium,
So
gaseous.
how
helium.
came they came into existence? Iron.
So through hydrothermal processes, and these metals get deposited in Earth's crust to upper part of upper mantle, lithosphere.
बुधवार ना इवनिंग कितने मीटिंग में था कोर्स बनाया था चलो पढ़ दी
So actually there are various processes in of metal formation. One of them is hydrothermal formation.
What is hydrothermal process?
That is hydro plus means water plus heat. Both when both these agents along with some hydrothermal fluids
At
of
that time,
metals.
At that time, O was there, oxygen was there.
Oxygen deficient
When there is no
initially.
oxygen, only hydrogen and helium are there.
Yes.
When there is no oxygen, how come you?
At that time there was no metal deposit.
Then how come all these elements like gold, iron, everything,
Sir.
all these metals, non-metals,
Sir,
different
actually-
elements came into existence?
Yes, sir. Primarily in primitive atmosphere there was no oxygen. Then algae came
I'm
into
not talking
existence.
about. I'm asking about all these metal, non-metal
Sir,
elements.
sir, gradually oxygen percentage increased. Then after the oxygen increase in oxygen percentage, there
That
were
means you are telling that oxygen, the next element formed, that is the oxygen. There is no iron after that. No iron, no nothing, no nickel.
Sir, oxygen primarily
essential
means from anoxic condition it becomes.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir, I am sure.
You are sure?
Sir,
So first oxygen found, then iron and all these things
yes, sir.
found.
Sir,
Sure.
sir, sure, sir.
Go and see. Again, go and see.
Okay, sir. So because for formation of iron, iron is an
Okay, no, you tell me one thing.
hematite or magnetite.
Oxygen formed due to that algal activity.
Yes,
But for algae, they need some substratum to
Yes.
grow open. There is gasification and degasification are there
yes,
during the Earth's evolution process.
yes, sir.
So Earth must be solid.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
Earth must be solid.
Yes.
Solid means it cannot be hydrogen and helium. There must be something before that.
Yes,
Something after that, which was solid.
yes, sir. But at that time, sir, are you talking about iron or iron ore?
Iron in purest form. Iron ore, there are many impurities are there. It is not. I think I am correct. Factually correct.
Sir, if you are talking about Fe means iron, elemental iron, then it was present since the inception of our Earth, 4.5 billion years ago.
Ego.
Yes.
Yes.
I am talking about hematite, magnetite,
Yes,
means
I was
iron
just asking
oxides.
about that. If there is no iron, then how come Earth was a solid?
Okay, yes, sir. The core is itself is
Iron,
nickel and iron.
That's why we have all these things.
Yes, sir.
Lava is coming out. We have a solid lithosphere.
Yes, sir.
Then all these processes happen: gasification,
So,
degasification.
I am talking about iron as a metal. Means
Okay, before the formation of Earth, there was actually iron.
Yes, sir. Iron was the major component
Just
during
after
that
big
time.
billion day, all these elements they actually coagulated. They actually came into existence because of high temperature
And high pressure
high
condition.
pressure. They might have turned into a new element.
Yes,
The basic element was hydrogen and helium.
yes, sir.
Amish, correct?
Yes, sir.
Actually correct.
Correct,
hydrogen
sir.
and helium was 99.9% of the atmosphere.
Yes, sir.
Total universe.
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 Yes, sir.
Hydrogen or helium.
What is sun? Sun is there is no solidity there.
No.
Sun.
Only gaseous.
Only hydrogen and
substance.
helium.
ସେଥିରେ only hydrogen ଆଉ helium ତ ନା କ'ଣ ଅଛି ଆମେ ଯେତିକି ପଢିଛୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଜେନେରାଲ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ହିସାବରେ
Sir, sir.
ଟୋଟାଲ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସରେ हमर जो स्पेस कहूचे से स्पेस तार कोन ता भीतर अछि
Gaseous
हाइड्रोजन हीलियम तार परसेंटेज केते 99.9
It will go there also, like Jupiter, other things. They have till now they are not solidified.
Till now
gaseous
lab
state.
flow is going on there.
Till now they are
अच्छा
in
के
gaseous
पत्र
state.
गला आ कोन ता पचन देखंतु तार सब्जेक्ट कोन अछि
Sir, geology.
जियोलॉजी एग्रीमेंट चाली छि तो
हाँ.
Sir,
ସେଇଠି ତ ପଚରା ହଉଛି.
जियोलॉजी एग्रीमेंट चाली छि
sir.
अच्छा आपण को पचरिए जियोलॉजी बहुत कथा पचन जे
ସେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହେଇଯାଉଛି କହିପାରୁନି.
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ବୁଝିପାରିଲିନି ଜିନିଷଟା ମାନେ ଆଇରନ୍ ନା ଆଇରନ୍ ଅକ୍ସାଇଡ୍ ସେଥିରେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ହେବ. ଆଇରନ୍ ହେଲେ ତ ସାର୍ ଏଇଟା ପ୍ରଥମରୁ ହବ.
Tell me, if there is no iron, how come you will get iron oxide? Without having iron, will you get iron oxide?
Sir,
Will you get iron oxide?
no sir. Actually, I was telling that there was iron, but not iron oxide. You are telling about only iron.
Yes.
Sir.
ठीक है
Presently, which is the leading reservoir of lithium in the world? And what is the
Sir, Argentina.
status of India?
Sir, Argentina is the leading reservoir. Chile and Argentina.
And what is the status of India?
And sir, exactly I don't.
recently within 2 months an exhaustive article was published in the newspaper. I have purchased that.
Sir, geologists have discovered lithium in Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes.
Second, another place also they have found reservoirs they have.
I just want to ask you. I found that in one newspaper that people are searching for gold in Odisha.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Do you feel
actually,
that still there is gold in Odisha? We have gold deposits.
sir, we have gold in Odisha. People, geologists, our directorate and also GSI, both have discovered gold in Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar and Devgarh.
How much reserve we have?
But we have means that will be very expensive to extract. Means that will not be economically beneficial. So in total 1700 some kg, nearly to 1800 kg gold by extracting the whole area. Means the,
800 kg. No, there is no need of extracting.
very economically.
Huge displacement and all this.
Similarly, hydrocarbons found in coal district and
Yes, sir.
Maharajhi belt.
Yes.
Whether
KG basis
whether
like
the
this.
chances of extraction will be
Shale gas.
I think
We have
Sir?
shale gas. Do we have shale gas in our Odisha?
I don't
already
have the
some blocks.
information.
What you know what is shale gas?
Shale gas, exactly I can define, but it is related to the that petroleum means they get deposited there in petroleum basins, nearby basin petroleum
You don't
basin.
have any shale gas.
I don't have the idea.
नहीं तो ये था से सामने
I'll read about
How
it.
much coal reserve Odisha has?
ओके जीवार अछि
Apart from Talcher, any other areas we have the coal well?
Sambalpur,
तो
sir.
सारी
Ib area.
How much year it will last? How many years it will last?
Exactly, sir. I don't know how much.
Any assumption as per your knowledge? If you go extracting coal as per this rate, how many years it will last?
Odisha is getting major portion of the income from extraction of this
Minerals.
How many years we can get this income? No, that is not.
50 वर्ष तो नहीं बता
Nine, 150, more than 150.
150.
More than 150.
And what is the hydrocarbon findings? Already government has taken the land and given
Yes, sir.
compensation.
Yes, sir. Actually,
In district, go block.
actually,
so what is the,
sir. Actually, government have already explored the hydrocarbons in major basins, means like KG basin, in Kambe basin, all the Bombay. But government now is seeing for the secondary basins, means the basins which are economically costly. Still, we can get if we are getting some petroleum
Okay,
there.
how many years it can sustain? If we, at all we get